Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a galaxy tumbler using epoxy and alcohol inks, and I'm going to be adding some glitter to give it some shine. I'm going to start out by mixing my epoxy. I already went ahead and separated part A and B, so all I have to do is mix it together. Now that you mix the epoxy, separate a little bit and save it for later in case you need it to add it in certain areas. I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter. That's going to give it a beautiful shine and it's going to make it look like it's stars. Mix it well and then go ahead and pour the epoxy in the tumbler. I'm going to start with the blue pool color by Tim Holtz. Now add the rest of the colors. I'm going to add some red. Feel free to add wherever you think you want the color to pop. So I'm just sprinkling everywhere. So this is a beautiful purple. I was just going to add that. Again, just fill it in. Just see where you want it to pop. Make sure you cover it. Add as much as you want. And now I'm going to use Piñata White. The white piñata color is going to now make those alcohol ink pop with color. This is where the magic actually happens. You can see already all the little areas are changing colors. This is the trick. Okay, so now you want to detach your tumbler and put it upside down so the epoxy moves up and down. So just gonna hold it upside down so the glitter will, the epoxy will move down. The other way. You want to do this so the epoxy moves and it gives it that special look, like clouds almost. Okay, so now the tumbler is complete. All you have to do is let it cure overnight, and the next day it should be all ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.